go to the center line, and this gets it flat and allows you to use a drill press and makes it a lot easier. I found that the countersinking on this is just PETA. These have got a little bit of play in them. I mean, maybe it's just this particular model, but plus it seems like it's too fast even when I slow it down. So what I did is, what I'm going to do is do the countersinking after I drill this by hand. Just put this on the table and use the hand drill, because what happens is you have to countersink both sides, and it goes perfect. You know, I set the countersink on this to 0.007, bang, you know, and just move down the line, you know, and then they all looked great. And as soon as you flip them over to do this other side and you start countersinking this side, it's like you get chatter. And it's just because, again, it's in my opinion, too thin of a part to be countersinking, especially on both sides. So you really have to go slow, and the only way to do that is like with your hand drill. So that's what I'm going to do. But in the meantime, you guys can see this. So let's start at this end this time. So essentially I clamped this down and I marked the, you know, got the laser light and I checked it. I just adjusted the tension on my on this, and it doesn't go all the way back up. I need to lube it because it was real tough. But anyways, so here we go. I'll show you this. I kind of relax my hand until it basically goes in. There it goes, and then I clamp down and hold it. That way it'll kind of center itself, so you don't kind of mess up your hole. And you kind of see it. You don't get it like perfectly aligned. It pulls it over to the right, and then you just hold and push. And this is just basic stuff. Probably boring to a lot of people, but the rivet would actually fit in these holes, but when you put try to put a drill bit through them, the number 40, it wasn't final size like it should be. So, but anyways, I'm just turning this off. Just wanted to show you guys this, I'm going to knock this out, and then I'm going to countersink these, and then at that point I jump back to the reassembling of the elevators. And kind of the next big thing I got to do is the actual trim tabs themselves and some hinge work. So